Superior Court Justice James Brunton put an abrupt end to the only trial involved in Operation Shark to actually go before a jury, 6 years after hundreds of Hells Angels were arrested in Quebec. There were 4 guys who were detained and another one, Claude Berger, who had been waiting for their trial. It started in August, and this morning, Friday morning, Superior Court Justice James Brunton put an abrupt end to it by basically criticizing the Crown for failing to turn over all of its evidence to the defense. It became a very long argued motion before the judge. The judge had to ask the jury to wait weeks while this could be argued. And this morning he decided that what the Crown did was enough of an abusive procedure to order an end to the entire trial, and that there was no remedy available to restart the trial. It means that the 5 accused, 4 who have been detained for 6 years, will not have a new trial. They are cleared. It puts an end to a trial that involved murder charges and a conspiracy to commit murder. This involves the famous Quebec biker gang war that took place between 1994 and 2002. And this trial involved some of those homicides. It involved an informant named Sylvain Boulanger, who gave information on some of those homicides. What it turned out was the defense was waiting years for the Crown to disclose all of its evidence. And suddenly, while the trial was underway, with the trial weeks underway, the Crown suddenly gave evidence that showed there was an alternate version of what might have happened in one of the murders, the murder of a man named Sylvain Reed. Suddenly the defense had a whole other version of what might have happened. It affects Sylvain Boulanger's credibility, and it also affects how the defense would have come up with their strategy to defend their clients. Justice Brunton decided this was unacceptable, put an end to the entire trial, and said there's no remedy available to have everything restart. There are still some people missing and still being sought in Operation Shark, but it puts an end to the only trial so far to go before a jury.